Meaning of earplug.
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 Earplug. An earplug is a small device designed to fit into the ear canal to protect the user's ears from loud noises or to prevent the entry of water, foreign bodies, dust and wind. It can also be used to provide relief from pressure changes during air travel or scuba diving. Earplugs come in various shapes, sizes, and materials, including foam, wax, silicone, and rubber. They are commonly used by musicians, construction workers, swimmers, and frequent travelers. Overall, earplugs offer a simple yet effective solution to protect and care for your ears in various situations.